Shivani Mehta. People say desserts are opposite of stress. Means, have you ever tried spell desserts? Is this totally opposite of stress? So today we are going to make stress relief recipe, that is chocolate dal mousse. We are going to make layers of chocolate mousse, dal crumble and chocolate ganache. And we are going to top it with chocolate corkscrews. So are you ready to get de-stressed? Then let's start cooking.
All these years, you've been mine. It wasn't easy, but we worked it out. All those tears, ups and downs, I swear it's been the best ride of my life. Look at where we are now, baby. Only blue skies ahead. And it wasn't all bad, baby. Look at where we began. Making out in my room, nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew, we were only 17. Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17. Time went by, oh so fast. Back then we didn't know this love would last. You and I, still attached. Each other's futures and each other's past. Look at where we are now, baby. Only blue skies ahead. And it wasn't all bad, baby. Look at where we began. Making out in my room, nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew, we were only 17. Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17. Oh, 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 oh. Still love you like I'm 17. Oh.
I hope you love this recipe. Of course, yes, chocolate is loved by all age groups. Isn't it mouth-watering? I know it is. So don't forget to try this recipe at home. And don't forget to follow our social media pages of Radio Tuvarza. Thank you so much.